everyone! I'm making the taco shell for my Bionic taco punch sculpture. So what I'm using is some sand, yellow, and I mixed some white. These are not the proportions I used at all. But now I've got this well-conditioned piece of clay, but it is too soft. And when you get your clay too soft, it's such a pain to work with. So what I do is I take the clay and I'm going to make it in the shape I want. I'm going to make the flat tortilla shell, and I'm going to place it between two pieces of white paper and let the paper leach out the oils in the clay. I'm even going to put this in the fridge for a little bit, just so that it gets a little more stiff for me to work with. I'm making the gradient on my cheese for my sculpture. So I'm taking two different shades of yellow. One was more orangey and the other one's just yellow. So I'm going to make the orange my base and the yellow is the highlight. I'm just adding a thin layer of it on top. And I'm just going to mix it in together and pull it apart, and you can see that it's starting to make some gradient. And I'm just going to selectively choose colorings that I like this one here, and make them into drips. So it's really quite simple, but it has a really cool effect to it. So this is a pre-baked eyeball I made, and I put some grooves into the clay so that it'll catch some paint. And so I watered down my acrylic paint